New right now at 6, drone operators in Sumter County say they're being targeted by the Villages, Greg, for doing basic journalism.
And Channel 9's Nick Pampantona shows us why they're accusing the retirement community of trying to control the flow of information.
So this is the one I fly most of the time.
When he's not serving as Sumter County Commissioner, Don Wiley's business is drones. He films houses for real estate agents and also,
As we rotate right, we see more of the retail area.
Narrated tours of construction sites around the Villages, the 21st century version of an aerial reporter giving updates to community members as the master plan neighborhoods expand.
They want to know what's going on, and there's a huge vacuum of news coming out about what's happening and what's going on.
Wiley says his background in construction and willingness to dig through public records helps him fill out his 30-minute tours, and over time his following has grown. But he says the Villages is trying to keep his drones grounded.
I received a letter from an attorney basically telling me that I couldn't shoot any more video footage using my drone of what the construction going on, that I was violating Florida statutes.
Wiley said the letter sent to him and others told him it was illegal to conduct surveillance over private property without permission, even though the law itself specifies it's private property that can't be seen from a public place on the ground, which would seem to exclude a wide-open construction site. The letter came days before this.
So this is what came out on Friday, and they're starting a weekly article.
The Village's own newspaper launching a weekly construction update column. Wiley has retained an attorney and says he doesn't plan to change course.
I have no intentions of taking down my YouTube videos. I have no intentions of stopping my work. I've been editing all morning the next video that's due to come out. You know, where this goes, that's really up to them.
We reached out to the Villages for comment as well as for additional explanation for their letter. We did not get a response. In the studio, I'm Nick Papantonis reporting.